Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. So firstly, it could be a problem of the audio player, so let's say you use Spotify, just remove it from the cache and open it again. Then check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should check software version of the earbuds. So open the application, go to the settings right here, and now scroll down. Click on device information, and right here it said that I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also, what we can do is to go to the settings. It's only if you have Android device, connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds and make sure that right here media audio is enabled here. If it doesn't, just click on this slider. Also, it could help you to restart your phone or tablet if you use a tablet. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So we can make it in the application actually. Let's open it, and right here, where we check software version, there is factory reset. Click on it and then click OK. Now hide the application and open settings, connected devices. And if you have Android, you can just click on these earbuds and then click pair. If you have iOS, we should remove and edit. So click the settings icon or information icon. You can make it also in the Android. Forget this device. Also on Android, click pair new device and it enters to prank mode automatically. So just click on it at the device list and then click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!